Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll continue learning about styles in Microsoft Word. As I showed you how to create and apply headings in the Navigate and Create Documents in Word video. Today, we'll explore some additional style features that help you create your own reusable styles and organize large documents more efficiently.
Before we begin, let's understand why these additional style features are useful. Applying a heading is only the first step. When you're working on reports, project documentation, research papers, or manuals, you often need multiple headings that share the same formatting. Instead of formatting each heading manually, you can create your own custom style and reuse it throughout the document. This saves time and keeps your document consistent. I already have a sample document open. As we've already learned how to apply built-in heading styles in Navigate and Create Documents in Word video, we'll focus only on the advanced style features in this video. Notice that the heading Introduction to Microsoft Word is already using heading 1, so we'll leave it unchanged. Instead, we'll create our own custom heading style using another section. Select the heading What Can You Do with Word? Now let's customize its appearance. From the Home tab, increase the font size to 24. Click Bold to make the heading stand out. Next, change the font color to a dark green shade. If you'd like, you can also choose a different font style to match your document's design. Now we have a heading with our own custom formatting. Instead of repeating these formatting steps every time, let's save this formatting as a reusable style. With the heading still selected, open the Styles drop-down menu. Click Create New Style from Selection. A dialog box appears, asking for a style name. Type Custom Heading. Then click OK. Our new custom style has now been added to the Styles gallery. Let's see how it works. Scroll down to the heading Getting Started. Select the heading. Open the Styles gallery. Choose Custom Heading. Notice that Word instantly applies the same font, size, color, and formatting. Now repeat the same process for the heading Key Features of Word. Select the heading. Open the Styles gallery. Click Custom Heading once again.
Both headings now have identical formatting without manually changing any font settings. This is one of the biggest advantages of custom styles. If you later decide to use the same design elsewhere in the document, you can apply your custom style with just a single click. Now, let's explore another useful feature that's available with headings. Notice the small arrow displayed to the left of the main heading Introduction to Microsoft Word. This arrow appears because the text is formatted using a heading style. It allows you to collapse or expand the content under that heading. Click the arrow once. The paragraphs below the heading are temporarily hidden, while the heading itself remains visible. This feature is especially helpful when you're working with long documents containing many sections. Instead of scrolling through multiple pages, you can collapse completed sections and focus only on the content you're currently editing. Click the arrow again. The hidden content expands back into view. Using collapsible headings makes navigating large reports and documentation much faster and keeps your workspace organized. Finally, if you ever want to remove formatting from selected text, Word provides an easy option. Select any formatted heading. Open the Styles menu. Click Clear Formatting of Selection. Notice that the special formatting is removed while the text itself remains unchanged. This is useful when you want to start fresh without deleting your content. Styles are much more than just changing the appearance of text. They help you create reusable formatting, maintain consistency across your document, and make long documents easier to organize and edit.
If you want to learn the complete Microsoft Word course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.